If your Google Play Store isn't opening on your Android phone, don't worry. Here are some simple fixes that you can try. First, check your internet connection. Try switching between your Wi Fi and mobile data and try opening the Play Store again. If that does not work, you can open your settings application on your device, go to apps. Then, after, you can use the search bar in the top, or you can manually scroll down and find the option of Google Play Store. Once you find it, click on it. Then scroll down, click on storage, click on clear cache. You can also try clearing the data, but this will remove all the files, settings, accounts, and databases. Now try opening the Play Store again. If the problem persists, you can go back to Play Store's app settings and tap on force stop, then reopen the app. You can also check your phone's date and time. So go to settings first, then after go to general management. Here select date and time and make sure that the correct date and time is selected on your phone. Another useful fix is to update the Google Play Store and Google Play services if updates are available. You can also restart your phone after making these changes, and if none of these methods work, try clearing the Play Store's storage data as well, and keep in mind that this may reset some Play Store settings. Finally, make sure that your Android system is updated by going to Settings, then scroll down and go to the Software Update option. Here, click on Download and Install and check for update. And if there is any update available, go ahead and install it on your device. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.